Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Incognito mode on Perplexity AI. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So by generating charts or interacting with Perplexity AI in Incognito mode, your chart history won't be saved, as well as your data won't be used to train AI models. So if you want to search privately, then the best thing to do is to go ahead and search using the Incognito mode in Perplexity. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. To do that, go ahead and log into your account, and once you're logged in, head over to the right corner here and you should see this icon. You're told by using Incognito, you'll create anonymous threads that aren't saved to your history and also expire after 24 hours. Now go ahead and tap on it and I'll have entered Incognito. As you can see, you are incognito. So here, if I go ahead and generate any chart on Perplexity, the response will be generated. However, if we go to history here, if I view history, you can see there is nothing because this thread aren't saved to history while using Incognito. And should you want to exit Incognito mode, just go back to the top right and we have an option to exit Incognito. And by clicking on that, now we have gone to our no mode interface. So that's how you can use Incognito mode on Perplexity AI. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.